Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Here I am working on this project in the shop today, using my Hakko FR300 soldering tool, brand new. Just pulled it out of the case, so this is my first time using this. It's a nice tool. You can go back and watch the previous video that I made, where I used this tool initially. I was holding this Amphanol connector that I have now sitting in my panel vise. So I have a female Amphanol connector, just like one of these, just like this. And what I'm doing is cleaning up the pins. This is a used Amphanol connector, and I want to reuse this. So I want the holes to be open where the solder is, the old solder is. And so this allows me to do this, desoldering iron or tool allows me to do that. Let's go ahead and get started. So I have it on now, and you can hear, that's the sucking noise, that's the vacuum, it's called a vacuum. So what I do is just heat the pin up, and suck. That's all I have to do. Go heat the pin up. Once I see it starting to melt there, I suck it out. And it gives me a clean hole. Just turn this panel vise on around, do the same thing. Next hole here. Once I see the solder melt, just suck it out. Gives me a clean hole there. I like this. Now the only thing about it is that the vacuum sucks so well that it'll suck, it'll clean out one hole, and then when you start heating it up, it'll suck suck through into this hole that you're on. Okay. Something I pointed out in the last video is that when you have wire like this that's stuck in there, you have to pull that out. Because this thing is not designed to suck out the wire too. Let me get my smaller tools here. Better do that job. There you go. See, there it is. And having this panel vise is real nice because wow. Turn this back. A little too hot there. Okay. All right. So that one's clean now. The holes are clean, and I can cut this off. So what I was saying about the panel vise is that this is the panel vise. Instead of holding this in my hand, I just put it on the panel vise, and then it allows me to do what I need to do. It holds it in place, and I don't have to worry about burning my fingers. All right, so now I'm ready to go on to the next stage, which is to use some of this 10 bus 22 wire and thread it through here, and then that way that will allow me to solder these wires that I have here onto it in the making of a 27 adapter for use with the 26-1 kit. Okay, so anyway, that's what I'm doing, and just want to demonstrate the use of my new tool here at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated. All right, that's enough for this video. Till the next one, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.